How you doing guys? Bioinformatics guy here, and I am back with a brand new video series. So let me tell you this, I'm not gonna carry this outfit for the whole series, but this is just to tell you that I am also from the field of medical sciences. And I know the difficulties and the problems that biologists have to face whenever they try to learn a new programming language. So if you are a biologist and you want to learn a new programming language, you are at the right place. In this video, we are going to learn a new programming language. Now this is a $1 billion question, which programming language we should learn. It's in human nature that we like to go for the stuff which is hot and attractive, and everybody likes to talk about that kind of stuff. So let's try Google Trends to find out who's hot these days in programming languages. Google Trends. Let's start by searching C++. Since you might be watching the video from any part of the world, let's change it to worldwide. Okay, there is this button of compare. Let's compare with another language. How about Java? Woohoo! There is a lot of difference between Java and C++, and Java is way more famous than C++. Let's try another language. R is even less popular than Java. Let's try another language. How about Perl? Oh, Perl is the least famous programming language these days. So let's try another one, and I think that this programming language is gonna win, and its name is Python. Python. Oh, so you can see that Python is on the top of every other programming language. You can see this purple graph. So now we know who's hot these days. The next question that will arise in your mind is that being a biologist, I don't have the prerequisites of programming skills, of digital skills. My math is terrible. And in the realm of biology, you might also think that I don't have those programming geek genes. What will I do? So this is a valid question, and I have a good news for you. The good news is Python is one of the most easiest programming languages. It's just like writing something in English. Not only this, I will also be explaining everything with the examples taken from biological sciences. So by the end of this course, you will be an expert in Python, and you will also be able to implement this in biological sciences. All you need is a working machine and a mindset to achieve this goal. So what are you waiting for? Let's install Python. Now in order to install Python, just search Python download. Click the first link. If you want to install for Windows, click here. For Linux, click here. For Mac, click here. And for other, go there. So I already have a copy. I'm gonna cancel it out. And let's pull that copy out to the desktop. Alright, so you will get an icon like this. Double click it and click run. So now over here you just have to check this box because this is very important and it will come in handy in future. We can get away with the install now button. Just click here. So it's gonna take a while. I'm gonna speed it up this process. Once installation is complete, you will see something like this. Click close. Once it's installed, go to the start and search idle. Idle. You have to click here. And this is the Python interpreter. It might not look just like this in your computer, but it will look similar. So let's write our first line of code. Print hello to the world of bioinformatics. I hope my spellings are correct, and you just have to hit enter to print the statement, and it is printed. Yay! So we have done this in computer. So let's say you don't have a computer in hand and all you have is a mobile phone or a gaming console. So we have another solution for you. All you need is a Google Drive. Go to your Google account. Go to your Google Drive. Once it's loaded, click this new button and then go over here in the more and then select this Google Co-Laboratory. It's gonna take some while in loading for the very first time. You can rename it print hello, and you can write the same code over here and it will work just as fine. Hello to the world of bioinformatics. and then you have to click this button to run this code. It might take some time because it has to allocate and connect for the first time, but once it's connected, it's boom, done in just a second. Yay, it is printed. So now you can learn Python on the go, even on your mobile phone. It's that easy. We will formally start from the next video, so subscribe to keep an eye on my videos, and that's all you need to do. So if you have any ideas, comments, questions or concerns, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you around in the next video.